Hey devs! Today we'll demonstrate how to consume data from a Wix CMS using Headless. We'll be using Base 44 for this demo, but these prompts can be used with other agentive AI platforms as well. Here, we've already created a Wix CMS collection called Events. It includes the fields Title, Date, Description, and Location. We also have a Base 44 app with a UI that's designed to display the events. Now, let's connect them. We'll connect to the app to pull events from the Wix CMS, and these will display dynamically on our Base 44 app. First, we need a Headless Client ID. We'll go to Headless Settings in the Wix dashboard and click Create New Client. Let's give it a name. Choose Web as the project type, select the stack we're working with, and Wix will generate a code snippet for connecting a headless project. We'll copy this snippet and paste it into our prompt so the AI knows exactly how to set things up. Along with the code snippet, we also need to tell the app which CMS collection to read from. To ensure that the correct CMS collection name is being used, copy the collection ID in your collection and add it directly into the snippet in the prompt. From here, we'll explain what we want to do with the data. And just like that, the app is now pulling real data from my Wix CMS. Now, let's see how it updates dynamically. We'll go back to the CMS and make a quick change, like add a new event to the collection. We'll refresh the Base 44 app, and there it is. The menu updates immediately, and we can see the new event right here. This is just one example of what's possible when connecting headless projects to the Wix dashboard. Now you can easily connect any project you would like to Wix in no time. We can't wait to see what you build. Thanks for watching!